Fear of failure. Fear of failure acts as a handicap to many of us. So it's necessary to understand this fear. When we allow something to stop us from carrying out our work that can take us forward to achieve our goals, we need to recognize it as our fear of failure. I am Satish Kakri and I will talk about this malady by explaining 5 facts of this fear. 1. Definition. 2. Symptoms. 3. Causes. 4. Ill effects. 5. Remedy through Bhagavad Gita. Now, what is the definition? Fear of failure is known as etikiphobia. Etikiphobia, a little unfamiliar term. Like many other phobias, it's an aspect of personality which always stands in way of our progress. This hinders our growth by lowering our confidence, erodes our willpower, and attacks our discipline. It may be a part of another mood disorder like anxiety, worry, eating more, etc. Therefore, it's necessary to understand and ensure that etikiphobia is eradicated from our personality. What are the symptoms? You tend to become physically fatigued and mentally drained. You lose all initiative to do anything new. Laziness becomes your habit. The situation does not allow you to think creatively. Personal initiative goes missing. You don't want to work on anything that requires application of mind or physical hard work. Habit of procrastination ruins your daily routine. Now, what are the causes? There are many causes for the fear of failure. Conspicuous among them are unsupportive parents. They keep on repeating to the child that you are good for nothing. Bullies in the school or society also contribute to heighten this fear. Our education system in India is also responsible for adding to the fear of failure in the minds of students. They are judged only on the basis of their scores in the final exam. No life skills are taught. It is not part of the curriculum. In fact, the system creates graduates without any practical knowledge about how to deal with life and its problems. Social prejudices form yet another cause to contribute to the malady. Now, what are the ill effects? As a result of this fear of failure, the person suffers a lot. One remains always tired and fatigued. The individual starts worrying even on small things. Chronic overthinking badly affects the health of the person. Emotional intelligence goes for a toss. The ability to face difficult situations or difficult people goes down the drain. The person starts thinking of life is a burden and is not worth living. Finally, how to remove the fear of failure and the role of the Bhagavad Gita. The Bhagavad Gita gives the best possible solutions. The core message of Gita is that everyone must perform his or her duty without attachment. No doubt, attachment is the main culprit for our fear of failure. Our attachment to the desired results and uncertainty associated with it aggravates the fear. In chapter 1, Arjun expresses to Lord Krishna that he doesn't want to fight. He doesn't want to fight the battle with his own relatives because war will result in killing his own people on both sides. The result is important for him. He is totally attached to it. Killing one's elders, respected people, teachers, grandfathers, and other revered people will only result in total disaster of the families. Further, he says that he doesn't know who will win. Thus, Arjun is deeply attached to the results and totally ignores his duty to fight the righteous war for which he had come. Lord Krishna explains to Arjun that one has to perform one's duty and that too without any attachment. The moment you are not attached to the result, fear of failure vanishes. As there is nothing to lose, there won't be any fear. Attachment is the root cause of all sufferings. According to the psychologists, there are a number of steps that need to be taken to remove the fear of failure. These are like understanding the situation, finding alternatives, strengthening the willpower, controlling emotions, understanding dangers of life. Bhagavad Gita addresses all these issues. How? The two major factors are, the lessons of the Gita are that one must perform one's duty without fear of remorse, without fear and without attachment. They should not be afraid of even death. That's what this teaches. So, the soul is immortal and it never dies. Soul changes body. Gita seeks to empower you to overcome the biggest human fear, the fear of death itself. In such a case, no other lesser fear, including the fear of failure, will stop you from working your way up to reach your target. Without the fear of failure, you work wholeheartedly and achieve your goal.